The human mind is the most complex and amazing creation in this world. It is by far the most powerful machine ever built. The potential things that our mind can do is virtually unlimited. It's just that we mostly don't have enough knowledge how to utilize it. In reality, the mind can do anything it can think of. The only problem for us is to understand how it should work. For instance, it operates in different levels. The two most common levels are conscious and subconscious. The former is the one who we use every day. This means that majority of the functions in our life go through this level. Between the conscious and unconscious, meanwhile, is the preconscious state of mind. It is here where we grasp our long-term memory. It's like seeing things in the past but not being able to analyze it. Finally, the subconscious level is that portion of mind which we don't fully comprehend, which of course is the reason why it is called as it is. The subconscious mind possesses very deep memories that cannot be revealed in your conscious state. It is the basis of your behavior and personality. For instance, the lessons you learn from past conscious experiences will be compiled in the subconscious level, and although you seem to forget those lessons and experiences, you're actually manifesting it in your behavior and personality. Literally speaking, the subconscious is the translator of your conscious mind. Whatever we feel, hear, see, and smell is processed, and the subconscious mind keeps a record of it. It does not consider or value any type of input, whether it's good or bad. What it does is simply translate those acts in reality. So what really is the subconscious mind? If you dig deeper in its capacity and capability, it becomes synonymous to universal intelligence. It contains unlimited power of wisdom. It does not filter or choose any particular input. Thus, what happens is that whatever it gets from subconscious mind, it is transformed into an output in life referred to as behavior and personality. So, how do you get your subconscious mind working to your advantage? Before you answer that, always remember that the entire process cannot be identified or perceived consciously. In order to control it, you have to control your conscious mind. As we said earlier, it does not filter any good or bad input. So if you want to establish a better personality or manifest good behavior, make sure that what you are feeding your subconscious are good and positive things. Always bear in mind that the subconscious level of your mind serves as the mirror of your life. Whatever you experience in the conscious mind in the past, it will always reflect and manifest in your behavior in the future. And the culprit for that is the subconscious. So whether you like it or not, that same process will always work as long as you live. To reiterate, it is uncontrollable. The subconscious level of mind never stops working and never rests. Awesome nature sounds, healing melodies, meditation music for you to relax your mind, de-stress, sleep better, or simply just relax. Let go and let be. Cool meditation app with nature sounds and music that you will like all in one app at www.whatislistening.com. Stop, pause, listen to the music in the air. Anytime you like to relax your mind or body, simply fire up this app and choose the music or melodies you like.